12,200 parts to make a whole, a conceptual project invisible to the soul. No one sees the Dogu Invasion in its entirety, but they conceive the art a timeless legacy. High-fired ceramics lasting through the years, Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies, from courts held to the world they rise. Individual portraits of our heritage, so grand, the Dogu guide holding life's hand. Water finders, food sensors tasting the earth, navigators, sentinels celebrating their worth. High-fired ceramics lasting through the years, Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies, from courts held to the world they rise. Junior, the sculptor's dream, from courts held, a visionary's gleam, describe the empath, the bard's song, in evolving art they all belong. High-fired ceramics lasting through the years, Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies, from courts held